In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image widget as a page backdrop in FlutterFlow. To get started, open FlutterFlow and sign into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the project you want to work on and navigate to the specific page you want to edit. This is important because the backdrop image will be applied through the page layout, so you want to make sure you're on the correct screen before you begin. Next, go to the widget panel and drag a stack widget onto the page. A stack is the key to this setup because it lets you layer widgets on top of one another. In this case, the image will sit at the bottom and your page content will appear above it. After adding the stack, resize it so it fills the entire screen. This gives you a full page backdrop rather than a small image sitting in just one section. Now drag an image widget into the stack. Make sure it is placed as the first child, which means it will stay at the bottom of the layer order. Then choose the image you want to use. You can upload a new image, select one from your existing assets, or use a network URL if your image is hosted online. The main goal here is simply to get the image into that bottom layer of the stack. Once the image is added, select the image widget and adjust its width and height so it fills all the available space. After that, change the fit property to cover. This is a very useful setting because it allows the image to fill the screen completely without leaving blank gaps around the edges. Even if the image has to crop slightly, it will usually look much better as a full screen background. With the backdrop in place, you can now add your main content to the same stack. This can include text, buttons, icons, forms, or any other widgets you want on the page. Because they're added above the image, they'll appear on top of the background automatically. If your background image is visually busy, you can improve readability by placing a container between the image and your content. Apply a semi-transparent background color to that container. This creates a subtle overlay that helps text and buttons stand out more clearly without hiding the image completely. Finally, click Run or Preview to test the page. Check that the image fills the entire screen and that your content displays properly on top of it. If needed, make small adjustments to spacing, sizing, or alignment until everything looks clean and easy to read. That's how you create an image backdrop for a page in FlutterFlow.